This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Harne. Exceptional estate home. Plenty of room for family life and entertaining, 3-bedroom, DE and media room, 4-bath, and 4-car garage. Wide open floor plan West/10 FD pocket sliders opens the living area to the expansive outdoor space. Live the perfect Florida lifestyle on the screened, covered lanai West/outdoor kitchen, gorgeous designer pool/SBA with decorative gas fire planters. Separate outdoor paver patio is great for entertaining neighbors and friends. The large kitchen opens up to the great room and features granite counters, double ovens, breakfast bar and separate nook. Master wing features a sitting area, his/hers custom closets, brand new luxurious master bathroom West/marble floors, counters, wall tile, freestanding soaking tub, and beautiful walk-in shower. All the modern features you want in #X2013, luxury, neutral finishes, gorgeous large wood plank flooring throughout the home, designer lighting, coffered ceilings, impact windows/doors and generator. Newly remodeled Renaissance is a low-density boutique golf community on 500 acres with Arthur Hills Championship Golf Course. Renaissance has limited its golf membership to an extremely low 225 memberships. For more information, review the details below or contact Stephanie Harne at 239-482-5700.